If you want to add a Zoom link to Calendly, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end, your Calendly event will be connected to Zoom, so meetings can automatically generate a video call link for your bookings. This is a huge time saver if you schedule a lot of calls, meetings, interviews, or client appointments. And if this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, go to the Calendly website and sign into your account. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the Integrations and Apps option. Depending on your layout, you may see it in the left-hand menu or in the top navigation bar. Click on that to open the Integrations area. Next, search through the available video conferencing apps until you find Zoom. Calendly supports different meeting tools, but for this guide, we're focusing on Zoom because it's one of the most common and easiest to connect. When you see Zoom in the list, select it. Now click Connect Zoom. This will open a sign-in and authorization screen. Calendly needs permission to connect with your Zoom account so it can create meeting links automatically when someone books a time with you. Go ahead and log in using your Zoom credentials, then click Allow or Authorize the connection when prompted. Once Zoom is connected, head back to your Calendly dashboard. Now you need to attach Zoom to a specific event type. You can either edit an existing event type or create a brand new one if you want. If you already have a meeting type set up, click into that event to edit it. Inside the event type settings, look for the section labeled What Event is this? This is where you can control the event details, including the location. Click on the location field and from the drop-down menu, choose Zoom. This tells Calendly to use Zoom as the meeting method for that event. After selecting Zoom, make sure to save your changes. Click Save and Close, or just Save, depending on what you see on your screen. Once saved, your Calendly event is now linked to Zoom, and future bookings will automatically include a Zoom meeting link. That's it. You've successfully added a Zoom link to Calendly. From here on, your scheduled meetings will be much more streamlined, and your guests will get the correct video call details without you having to send links manually. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.